Hi, I'm EJ Hart, and today I'm going to be doing a swirl rag rug, part 1. The tools that I'm using are a 10mm crochet hook, Yarnology from Hobby Lobby store, a pair of scissors, several balls of 1 to 2 inch fabric strips in 2 different colors. I'm using beige and red, and I'm going to start with my beige color, and I'm going to form a slip knot, and I want to leave a long tail. I'm going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I'm going to connect the ends together with a slip stitch to form a circle. I'm going to stick my hook in that slip knot at the beginning. I'm going to yarn over. I'm going to pull that through both of those loops that are on the hook. Now I'm going to put 5 single crochet around the circle. I'm going to insert my hook into the circle, hook onto the yarn and pull it through, yarn over and pull through both loops on the hook for a single crochet. I'm going to do this 5 times. There's 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I'm done with this color for just a little while. So I'm just going to pull up on the loop so it won't come out. Then I'm going to form a slip knot with my second color, which is red. I'm going to single crochet onto the circle. So I'm going to put my hook into the circle, hook onto the yarn and pull it through and up, yarn over and pull through both loops. Now I'm going to pull up on that loop. I'm done with that color for now. I'm just going to push it over and condense it so I can get more single crochets onto the circle. With the first color, but a different ball of yarn, I'm going to form another slip knot. I'm going to single crochet onto the circle. I'm going to insert my hook into the circle and hook onto the yarn and pull it through. Yarn over and pull through both loops for a single crochet. Now I'm going to single crochet 4 more. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to pull up on the loop and I'm going to go back to the second color, the red color, but another ball of yarn, and I'm going to form another slip knot. And I'm going to single crochet onto the circle. I'm going to crochet back into the beige in the next 4 stitches. I'm going to put in 2 single crochet in each stitch in the next 4 stitches. I'm going to insert my hook into that first single crochet. Might be a little tight on that first one. I'm going to go under both loops of the single crochet, pull my yarn through and up, yarn over, pull through 2 for a single crochet. Now I'm going to go back into the very same stitch and put in 1 more single crochet. So it's 2 single crochets in each stitch. I'm going to go into the next stitch and put in 2 single crochets. 1, 2, go into the next stitch and put in 2 single crochet. 1, 2. Now here's the 4th stitch. I'm going to put in 2 single crochet into it. There's 1 and 2. I'm going to pull that red up, and I'm going to skip this beige color, and I'm going to go into the next color, which is the red. Put my hook back into the loop, and I'm going to put in 2 single crochet into each stitch into the next 4 stitches. There's 1, 2, 2 single crochet in the same stitch. I'm going to go to the next stitch and put in 2 single crochet. 1, 2, go into the next stitch. 1 and 2. Okay, the 4th stitch, put 2 in there. There's 1 and 2. Okay, now I'm going to move on to the next color, which is beige. I'm going to do 2 single crochet in the first stitch, then 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Then I'm going to repeat in the next 8 stitches. So I'm going to put my hook into the first stitch. That first one can be a little tight. So there's 1, 2 in the same stitch. Okay, the second stitch gets 1 single crochet. There's 1. Next stitch gets 2 single crochets. There's 1, and 2. The next stitch gets 1 single crochet. The next stitch gets 2 single crochet. You'll have to stop and rearrange the yarn because it gets tangled up. So there's 1, 2 in the same stitch. The next stitch gets 1 single crochet. The next stitch gets 2 single crochet. There's 1, 2 in the same stitch. Okay, the last stitch gets 1 single crochet. In the next video, I'm going to skip the next color, which is that red color, and I'm going to pick up the beige, and I'm going to do the exact same thing that I did with the other beige color. But I'll do that in the next video. Consider subscribing to Hook and Loops. Just click the button and click subscribe. And thank you for watching.